Yeah, so we are starting the green belt journey from today. So best of luck to all of us. Let's all learn together as we understand some concepts of Six Sigma, what it is and how it will help us in our career, in our own personal life, everywhere. So let's start this journey and move on. So today we'll do the predefined phase. Usually you've heard DMAC is the common, DMAIC, the 5 phases of Six Sigma: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. But we are at NIQC very keen that you all understand what happens prior to define. So we have a new phase which is called predefine, where we talk to you about how we start off, how we identify who is our customer, because customer is at the center of everything we do in a Six Sigma project or in any kind of in continuous improvement. We always have customer at the center. So let us understand who is our customer, what is the voice of customer, what does he want, and then we will understand what is critical to quality for any customer, what is so important for any customer. Nothing complex, nothing difficult. We are all customers of somebody, so we all know what all this is. So right now it's all plain sailing. Actually the entire DMAC will be plain sailing, but I always compare it to a ride up to a hill station. We start off on the plane smoothly, all thrilled going over the journey, and then slowly hairpin bends will come. Little bit hairpin bends, and then again it will go.